In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a password-protected directory or folder. That way you can keep all of your goodies in there that you don't want anybody getting access to unless you give them a username and password. Now it's pretty simple. Once you log into your cPanel control panel, scroll on down a little bit till you get to the security panel and then click on the password protect directories icon. And that'll bring you into this area here where you can see I've already got this particular folder password protected, and you've got the little icon over here that shows a little padlock. So that's what it looks like once you get one protected. So let's go ahead and create a folder and then password protect it. Let's come on back home here. We're going to go into the file manager. Now this is of course if you already don't have a folder or directory you want to protect. I'm going to go ahead and create one from scratch. And let's click on create folder, and there we are. Now then, we'll go ahead and get out of here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that folder in an unprotected state. I think I capitalized those. We'll see. Yep, there we are. And inside of that is nothing. It's an empty directory. So at this point, with it being totally unprotected, anybody can gain access to this. So let's go ahead and change that. Come on back here. Go into the security panel, click on password protect, and now then let's select that particular directory. Come on down here, check that box if you want to protect it. Don't check it if you don't want to protect it, and then give it a name. You can name it anything you want to. It doesn't have to be the same name as the folder you're trying to protect. There, I even have it as a different name, and then we click on save, and now it's protected, but no one can have access to it because there's no username or password associated with this particular directory yet. Let's come on back here and test this. Now, if everything works out properly, a box should pop up asking for a username and password. Just like that. But since there isn't one yet, we don't have one to put in there, so we're going to cancel out of this, and that's what you're going to get. Let's come on back here and create a user and a password. And you're not limited to the number of users or passwords you can create for this. And you can either enter your own password here, or you can use a password generator to create a very strong password. And then click on Add Modify Authorized User, and there we are. That's the username, that's the password. Click on Go Back, and if you want later on to delete this username, just select it, click on Delete User, boom, they no longer have access. Now then, let's go ahead and come on back here and see about that box popping up there. Now I've got that password in my clipboard. Go ahead and paste that in there, and me, and this should get us back to the index page like this. And that's how simple it is to create a password protected directory. Thank you very much for watching, and you have a great day.